This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about frying pans, specifically this Metlux stainless steel frying pan. The 8-inch stainless steel frying pan is induction ready. It's also available in 10 and 12-inch size pans as well. It can be used on various cooktops, including induction cooktops. It features a riveted handle for a nice sturdy construction that's really going to give you a durable pan that's going to hold up to heavy long-term use. It also features a nice hole on the handle for easy hanging, meaning it's going to work well with whatever storage system you have in place. These stainless steel pans are Teflon coated, giving them a superior non-stick surface as well. So you have a really durable pan that's also easy to clean, and it's really going to help make your meal preparations easy and efficient, which is fantastic. So these are fantastic for any restaurant or food establishment that needs a great versatile frying pan or for use at home in your own kitchen.